All right, so this damper was detached. It's the original, I'm assuming, and operates fine. It's easy to install, and you can find this part on eBay possibly, or just get one from a Mopar part supplier. So it basically slows the opening so that it doesn't slam and break those ears like that happened to mine. So you can see where those little tabs ride. You can see where the striker plates should be, the damper, and this is where you get to the air cabin filter. So this is just the inside before I started repairing it. So I got this replacement from eBay, just installing that bottom part and the damper. There's a little groove on the right side of the inside of the little box area. Just checking it out, making sure I don't damage anything else. The tabs push right in. Got some basic function. You can see there where that attachment for the damper goes. So right there, I'm just like, okay, something's missing. It's not staying closed. Operates fine. The tabs are now new and fresh. But as we'll see in a little bit, I'm missing those striker plates for the latches. So I'm oiling the latches so they would operate smoothly. This weighs, I believe, like 3.8 pounds. It was a couple pounds lighter. So, and this is actually from like a 2014 model. So keep an eye on that. Here's where I start discovering the missing parts. And tab broke. I have that all secure, good box now. But I'm going to investigate and see, because this opening seems either too wide, which it's hard to believe. This is a very solid, seems to be shaped properly. I wonder if there's inserts in here that are missing. So I'm going to investigate that a little bit and just stay tuned and see if we can get this thing nailed down. So until then, let's see if there's something I can attach there to close that gap a little bit. All right. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any tips, leave in the comments. See if you've had this issue before. I'm sure you have, especially in the 2012 with that 6 to 7 pound glove box. So thank you, guys. God bless you, and I will see you soon. And this is for the 2012, which is the 4th generation Jeep Grand Cherokee, the WK2. And there's an inboard and an outboard part number. All right, this is, I could probably do this with one hand, so I'm just going to hold the camera. This is the inboard part. This being the inboard, you're in the cabin. This would be the outboard. So, just orient it right. Tabs just go straight in. Again, this is a really, seems like an afterthought, this glove box. All right, let me mess with this a little bit. All right, so I got these in. They were labeled incorrectly, so I struggled a little bit. But if you get these striker plates, this lip, this kind of bumper or slide deal here. Let's see if you can see that. This thing here, it's kind of a outward little rail, kind of to guide the this little latch here, I believe. That goes on the bottom. So whether it's labeled inboard, outboard, just looks like these have to be at the bottom. This one didn't go quite right. I have a feeling someone monkeyed with this. Something happened. Maybe someone leaned on it and pulled it out and kind of messed it up a little bit, but it's close enough to where I think if I just glue it in right there, it would stay there for the life of the car. So I think I'll do that. So I'll get some adhesive, probably some of that silicone. Have some pretty aggressive stuff that'll work and be done with it. So there we go. Finally got a locking glove box back on it, but you can see this part sags. This should sticking out a little far, but I'll get that fixed with some glue. All right, hope that helped you guys. God bless you. See you in the next one.